Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. This is the second video of Hyperautomation and Low Code series. So we are done with the overview. So we start with this, the very first module, that is building applications. So let me click on it. So it is saying that learn how to become an application developer using Now Platform low code tools. So you know what is a low code, we already discussed it. So in order to create applications using low code, there are n number of tools, and all these tools will be used sequentially one by one to create the application. While creating this application, we use certain libraries which are the reusable component of an application. So when we create a particular section, we can use that section, we can use that component further in other application as well. Once the applications are created, then finally we publish this application. So you see here, total we have 5 phases of application development. The very first one is planning your application, where you have to plan like how your application will work. We will plan the functionality, we will plan the scope, we will plan the testing mechanism, each and everything in this planning phase. So once the planning is completed, we come to this phase 2 where we have to develop the application. And in this phase 2, we use certain tools in order to develop the applications, right? Certain low code tools which we already discussed. After phase 2, we come to phase 3 where we start testing and debugging the application, so that we come to understand, okay, this is what we have planned and this is how the application works. And there is very minimal difference between the planning and the execution of application. So once the testing is successful, that is the owner, that is the process owner, that is the product owner, users, everyone are satisfied, then we come to the phase 4, which is the deploying the application. In this phase, the application is deployed into the production environment. That is, the application is live now, so that the global user, so that the application's user will be able to access the applications and get the benefit from the application. So after deployment, we have the phase 5, where is the maintenance of the application starts, so that in case in future if we have to make certain updates to the application, or if we find any kind of error or something, so the application will be maintained accordingly. So this maintenance process is very important because it keeps the application up to date with the latest business, with the latest development in the business requirements. So ladies and gentlemen, with this we complete the phases of application development. And you see one more module here which tells us about the basics of application development. That will be a topic of our next video. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and we are coming up with the video number 3 as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Bye bye.